All right. So, new project. I'm going to see how this works for me. So, I got under here quite a bit of storage overall, but at the same time, it's not a lot of storage. So I need to maximize some of this space up here on the top here. So I got an idea. I'm going to try to put something right here to hold our light and see how that goes. So yeah, let's grip and rip, I guess, huh? All right. Well, let's see what we can do. And if it doesn't work, then I just don't have to post the video, right? My bad. I just get an idea where this needs to go. Okay. So it goes right there, but I think I'm going to put the strap right here. Okay. There's that one. So it does block quite a bit of light, but I think we'll be okay. As the kids say, it's a little more difficult than I had thought. Does anybody know what difficult is from? Add it in the comments, let me know. If you got kids that are young, you probably know. All right, so I'm not going to screw that all the way in yet because I will need to make sure I get the angle right of all of this over here. And you know, I could, I guess, probably use some more strapping ties on this guy here. I was going to try to screw it into the plastic here, but I think this is actually going to be a little bit better using this guy here. So I could probably actually make that just a little bit more snug. So that is just perfect. Look at that. Snug it down a little bit more, and I think we're in business. Nice and out of the way. It is still got a little bit of light in here. I could still get to the battery disconnect. So I think all in all, this is a win. I guess we won't know until we get everything loaded in and ready to go. But let's just snug it down a little bit more and call it a win. So it does wiggle a little bit down at the end, but I think overall we're going to be fine. Have still room for the vent to heat down here. I think overall this is a win. So let's vacuum this out and put everything back. So I also installed these little D-rings to be able to mount things here and hold them so they don't flop around. But overall, I think it's a win. I do eventually want to try to put storage over here to hold the chairs up, but this guy right here folds open so you can get back over here to all the internals, water lines, sewer lines and stuff like that. So that might be another day, another $1. I don't know. Anyway, so we're good with this right here. So let's put everything back real quick. I was gonna put the Easy up in there, but I don't think we're gonna need it for this next trip coming up. So yeah, for the win.